Hello everyone, I've just installed some genuine VW roof bars on my mk6 Golf. Quite simple. You remove this plastic lug which is located under here, and on the roof bars itself you have a little pin, which obviously the pin goes up through the hole, and you just tighten up both sides, and that's that one really. Rear one's slightly trickier as there's no marks that you can see from your eye where to locate how to fit the rear ones, but you can feel along this part here there's a little indent which you line up both sides. Like I say, same again, tighten up, and there you have it.